Right, ladies and gentlemen, I bought these a couple of weeks ago, these peonies, Bowl of Beauty, which I've never grown before. I've got some white peonies in my garden, but it's the first time for these, so I'm going to show you what to look for when buying them. Right, they come in a packet like these. I don't know if you can see that. Once you open it, and you can't do this in the shop, you can't open them, but you can have a look through the packet. What you want to be looking for is the roots. You want to be making sure it's got nice, healthy shoots. As you can see there, there's probably 5 or 6 nice healthy shoots. I've got this pot here that I'm going to be sowing them in. When you sow these, you want a peat-based compost preferably, and you want to fill it to nearly the top, and then this tuber here needs to be planted so these are at the level of the soil. So, right, plant it in like so. And if you get a bit more compost if you need it. I always grow peonies in a pot the first year to make sure I can look after them properly. So once that's level like that, it wants to be in the sink, like so. And then just water them from the top and the bottom. I leave it in for like half an hour, 3/4 of an hour, so it's really wet. Then drain it, and then what you need to be doing is putting them somewhere they like plenty of sun out on your patio. There are all the details on the back. So that's Peony Bowl of Beauty, how to plant into pots for your garden. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.